What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're going to be opening up who knows what. It's actually pretty heavy, and I'm looking forward to see what's inside. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that is a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So I'm going to get this box open, and we're going to find out what's inside. Alright, so interesting way they did the box here. I've never quite seen it packed like that, but yeah, it's very well packed. Oh, interesting. Okay, so first thing that's inside, this is a DESLOC B200 smart fingerprint deadbolt. It has an emergency power supply that is powered through USB-C, fingerprint unlock with up to 50 fingerprints supported, so you can have your whole family in there. 6-way unlock, so keypad, fingerprint, app, Alexa, Google Assistant, keys, and IC cards. Power supply with 4 rechargeable AA batteries included, and auto lock, customizable time settings so that it locks on its own. Let's take a look at the rest of the case. It does look like there is a black, silver, orb, and satin nickel version. Over here we have some information about the products and chemicals and things like that. And then on the back, we can see that this boasts effortless operation, convenient installation, better fingerprint recognition with a new algorithm, 24/7 customer service, security, and a robust range system. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So we have some manuals here, the user manual, things like that. Welcome to the DESLOC family. And we do have the drilling brackets in case you do have to adjust the drilling size or holes of the door. But this is mostly also used to just kind of determine if it's going to fit in your existing frame, and if not, then you can use this to actually drill it. Now inside the box we do have 4 batteries. These are not rechargeable batteries, I believe. No, these are alkaline non-rechargeable batteries. I would personally put some rechargeable ones in there just to keep those going, even though it does have a backup battery. And then let's go ahead and bring out the center box here. This is likely the hardware itself. So yep, we have our screws, lots of screws, and they're well labeled. We have our door setup. We have our deadbolt. Oh, very cool. We actually have some DESLOC key change. So we got some cool keychains there. That's interesting. And then of course we have the keys, which I will not show you because technology. Alright, so now on to the actual part that you're going to be looking at on your door. So let's go ahead and rip this bad boy off. So first we'll look at the back here where it has the key, and then we have our screen here. Please correct door direction on the lock before use. Details can be found inside the user manual. So let's go ahead and peel this off, and you'll see that it has the numbers there. Very nice. Very clean looking device for sure. And then of course you can see the fingerprint reader right up top and the lock button on the bottom. It's actually a really nice screen. Now taking a look at the other side, it looks like this is the back of the device. We can see that we do have the battery bay on top, so we can put the 4 AA batteries in. Again, I would probably replace these with rechargeable batteries, but it does come with 4 standard batteries on its own. And then this is the mechanism to actually open and unlock the door once you've actually set it. So this is all motorized, and it turns it all for you. You can hear that motor in there. Generally you're not supposed to do that, but I just want to show you it is a motor. But yeah, you install that. We have the, if you look at the back of this, we do have the connector port there, so you can see that there's a port there. And what we need that for is to connect the other side of the lock. So this is the front of the lock where it has the fingerprint reader and all that. And you'll notice it has a cable that fits that perfectly right there. So you're basically just going to run this through this hole and then connect that right there. All right, and the second thing that came is the smart lock gateway. If we look in the back, we can see that this is the G2 model Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, it supports BG and N, and it is Type-C USB, so really easy to power. We're going to take a look at what's inside. So we have a USB-C cable right here inside a nice little plastic. Nothing in this box. We have some instruction manuals on the bottom on how to get it all set up. And then we have the gateway itself, a very sleek, nice looking gateway, single light on top, USB on the bottom, and here are the tech specs. So 70 by 70 by 26 millimeters. That's how small this is, and you just kind of hide this around, connect it to your Wi-Fi at home, and then the keypad will connect to this. Very, very cool device. And of course, we love home security on this channel, so this will be just another way to keep our home safe. And I think it looks pretty cool. I've never had a door lock with a fingerprint reader. I've had a touchscreen where you have to press buttons and things like that, but the fingerprint reader and the direct app control, that'll actually be pretty nice. All right, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up and break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.